In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Microsoft OneNote. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access your notes on a Windows PC, a Mac, or directly in a web browser, so everything stays in sync wherever you are. Let's start on a computer running Windows 10, Windows 11, or Mac OS. Open the OneNote app on your computer. If you're not already signed in, a sign-in prompt will appear as the app starts. Enter the email address that's linked to your Microsoft account. This could be an Outlook.com or Hotmail address, or the email associated with your Microsoft 365 subscription, including work or school accounts. Next, enter your password and follow any on-screen steps, such as verification, to finish signing in. These extra prompts help keep your account secure, so it's normal if you're asked to confirm a code or approve a sign-in. Once you're in, OneNote will load your notebooks that are stored in OneDrive or Microsoft 365. Give it a moment to sync. The first load can take a bit longer if you have large notebooks. After that, everything you edit here will stay up to date across your devices. If the app shows a different account than the one you want, look for your profile icon or avatar, usually in the top right corner of OneNote. Choose Switch Account or Sign Out. Then sign in again with the correct email. This ensures you're looking at the right notebooks, especially if you use separate personal and work accounts. A quick glance at the account name near the avatar helps confirm you're in the right place. Now, if you prefer not to use the app, you can sign in from any web browser. Open your browser and go to OneNote.com. Click Sign in the top right corner. Enter your Microsoft account email and password, and you'll be taken to the OneNote web app. From here, you can view and edit your notes directly in the browser without installing anything. All changes save to the cloud automatically, and if you later open OneNote on your computer and sign in with the same account, your updates will appear there too. That's all there is to it. Open OneNote on your computer and sign in to see your cloud-stored notebooks, or head to OneNote.com and sign in to work right in your browser. Either way, once you're signed in, your notes sync across devices, so you can pick up exactly where you left off. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow along step by step as you sign in.